wonderful day. I am back in nature. Ah, yes, today is an adventure. And guess what? I got a special guest. Guess who's... Oh, you guys really saw the thumbnail.
Hi!
The amazing Audrey! Double A battery.
In nature.
In nature. This is Thompson Nature Park, and apparently there's lots of ruins here, right, Audrey?
Yep, can't wait to see them.
Yeah, I've already showed you guys one. Now we're gonna explore and see more. Let's see if there's more. Look at this place. Yeah, there's some history over here. No, it's just a rambutan garden.
Hey, history of rambutan is important.
This place is pretty new. It just recently opened for the public, for us to walk in this nature walk and see. Look at that ruins there.
Dang, well spotted.
Yeah. Now I don't know what these ruins are, but apparently it's like old houses or old villages here. Let's see. No! Mosquitoes! There's one more. Hit it! You missed! You missed!
I do not want to endanger wildlife.
Audrey, it says water source. Do you think that's their well?
I think so. I mean, it's a water source. I don't know. Where do they get their water from?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, it's the olden day 7-Eleven.
Beware, guys, of possible lightning strikes and fallen branches due to bad weather.
We shall walk like this now.
Well, at least the weather is good today.
For now.
For now. My god, more ruins. Semi-destroyed.
Yeah, it's like semi-destroyed. Do you think anything like lives in there now?
Snakes.
Okay, I don't want to stay here with the snakes.
Down the spiral stairs we go, Audrey.
Yay! Gonna get dizzy.
And we got mosquito repellent straps. Somehow in the car, there was some. Audrey, where do we go now?
I have no idea. We're just gonna randomly follow a trail to find ruins.
Okay.
It's a scavenger hunt.
Okay. What happened to the Lego set, Audrey?
I'm telling you, I built something similar to this when I was 5.
Well, it's actually this bench. This is the one that they're preserving. It's an old bench.
It's been through so much.
It's been through so much. Oh my god. More broken down ruins. Wow. These are all old houses, guys. And look what's left.
I feel like it could be a kitchen because of the tiles.
Yep. Look at the tiles. It's kitchen tiles here.
Or could be a toilet.
Good call, Audrey. So in the past, this road here Audrey is standing is called Lor Pelita.
Are you sure?
I think it's called Pelita.
I'm not sure.
No, it's Pelita.
It's Catarita. It's an accent.
This path here, it used to be covered with bricks like that, and they left some of them just to show you that here is all bricks. It's a good place to walk, Audrey.
Yeah.
Nice nature trail. See? More bricks!
I'm walking on old land.
I'm walking on new land then. Ah, trees. monkeys here, guys.
Bye, monkey.
Audrey, you're not afraid of monkeys?
I am,
You are?
but if you know what they say, you don't disturb them, they don't disturb you.
Yeah, right. Try carrying a plastic bag and see what happens.
I'll get attacked.
Oh my god. It is tiring. It's uphill. And Audrey?
Doing
It's-
great.
Yeah. But guys, this place is awesome. Check this out. Ruins everywhere. I never expect this.
Whoa.
This, look at this. Wow. Isn't this cool, Audrey?
Yeah. The nicest one I've seen all day.
Yeah. Beautiful. Whoa, guys. Oh my god. Would you look at that? Audrey, you want to do an introduction of this place?
This used to be my house.
Oh, so sad. What
Got
happened?
destroyed. Black Friday sales.
AA battery. I don't have any batteries. And that's why she's AA batteries.
Yeah.
She's called the Amazing Audrey for a reason.
Full of energy.
Audrey was saying that the fence is actually nice.
The
Yeah?
design is very beautiful. Vintage, you know.
Vintage.
Oh, there's more over there.
Ah, more of Audrey's favorite fans. So here's my take, guys. This place is cool. It is really cool for the public, but it's not so adventurous because it's discovered. It's only interesting when you discover places and it's not open to the public. It is still fun. It is still fun and cool. It's just that I like exploring places where no one has discovered it yet. I mean, this is like just open to the public. Anybody can come here. Audrey, on the other hand,
Loves it.
Audrey is like telling me she wants to come here and do running. I'm like, I can't even breathe walking. Look at that. That is uphill all the way on the top now.
You need to
I
hit
really
the
should
gym.
need to. No, I can't go to the gym. You guys know that my knees will die. But it was quite a steep uphill climb. Right, Audrey?
Yes, now we are going downhill.
And it's gonna hurt my knees also. At least no stairs. Yay! Main entrance! Oh my! Wonderful! Alright. Thompson Nature Park done. Took us like an hour to complete. Except for that last part. It was like uphill. Yeah. I didn't like the last part. But now we go and have something to eat. Let's go.
Makan!
Makan means food.
Oh.
Or eat. Eat. Makan means eat, not food. In Malay. Audrey, are you Malay?
No, I'm Chinese.
She's Chinese, but she likes to speak Malay a lot. Ah, air condition. This is what I need. Oh my. Audrey, can we just like stay here for a while?
You're such a not nature person.
I am! It's just that it's so hot.
So what, you like the nature that has aircon? Gardens by the Bay, guys.
Take away.
Takeaway. Saving food. Not so much on the plastic, but okay.
Yeah, we were strolling around in this park and then now we're gonna head back. I think that's it for today's vlog. Did you enjoy vlogging today?
I enjoy my first time vlogging.
Oh yeah, this is like her first actual vlog with me. Like all the other times, she was just like a cameo.
Yes. So here's my official debut.
Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and I will see you in the next one. Guys, keep smiling. What do I say?
I don't know.
You really?
I forgot.
Okay, it's your first time, so I'll teach you. It's just see ya.
See ya.
But the higher pitch would be better.
See ya. Cannot.
Alright guys, see ya. You planning to vlog some more?
Yes. If people want me anymore.
Do you guys want her? Comment down below. Otherwise she's gonna cry.
I'm gonna start crying.
She
Look at that. The next video will be me crying.
But you would vlog some more and you would cry because
Yes.
nobody wants you.
Yes. You vlog my ending of this career. Today is my debut and the next video will be my ending. Nobody wants me.
I'm sure my subscribers are very nice. They are very gracious. Don't disappoint me guys. Be nice. Be nice.